Matt. You know why I've pulled you in here, don't you?
Pat, this is ridiculous. A partner said hi to me and I just said hello back. I can't help being nice, mate. You too over the top.
Have I ever showed you the breakdown for you? To show you how what you do in there makes or breaks you?
Pat, the only thing that breaks me is having to act like a Japanese prisoner of war in that room with you lurking at every corner.
You think I am too hard on the team?
Mate, you like Adolf Hitler. We all feel like we have to be quiet and there is zero communication between the team. It's bloody atrocious.
Matt, I can certainly appreciate that. What exactly is it about my behavior that you feel most uncomfortable with?
Everything.
Is that the only thing that you think is unsettling the team right now?
Don't tease me, Pat. And fuck no, there is a ton of other stuff too.
Well, I guess all I can say is... Claudia, can you take a message, please?
Claudia doesn't work here anymore.
Fuck. You were right. Erica, take a message for me. I'm in the middle of something.
Erica's pregnant and not in there.
Fuck. Right again? Jamie, do me a favor and answer the fucking phone. I'm telling Matt that he may not speak to people in our organization at any point, as he gets distracted too easily.
Jamie, can you please tell Pat he is absolutely full of shit? I don't think he fully understands my accent.
Give me a second. I'm still in a meeting. You see, Matt, you think your life is tough, right? I want to see you in Vista tomorrow morning at 8. Don't be late. Bring your day planner.
Absolutely not. Roger Federer has a semi-final match and I intend to watch it.
What did you say?
I said I have a dealership appointment and there is no way they will reschedule.
Well, make sure to let me know how that goes. I'll spend the morning with Milad. He seems eager.